Hello folks, I am Georgios Papadopoulos and welcome to this video on vulnerable time for slotted ALOHA MAC Protocol. Okay, first things first, what is the vulnerable time? Well, the length of time in which there is a possibility of collision is defined as the vulnerable time. As it was presented in our previous video, in pure ALOHA, the vulnerable time is 2 times the frame transmission time. This is true because in pure ALOHA there is no rule that specifies when the node can transmit. Indeed, whenever a node has a frame to transmit, it simply does so. And as it can be observed, a node can transmit its frame after another node that has started or right before another node has completed its frame transmission. As a result, slotted ALOHA was invented to improve the performance efficiency of pure ALOHA. Towards this aim, in slotted ALOHA, the continuous time is divided into discrete time intervals called slots sufficiently enough to transmit a complete frame. Now, a node can transmit only at the beginning of each time slot, and if it does not transmit at the beginning of the current slot, then it will have to wait for the beginning of the next time slot. However, there can still be a collision in slotted ALOHA. If 2 or more nodes transmit their frames at the beginning of the same time slot. As it can be observed here, in slotted ALOHA, the vulnerable time is reduced to transmission time of the frame, which is 1/2 that of the pure ALOHA, where the transmission or emission time is the amount of time from the first bit until the last bit of a frame that has emitted the transmitting node. The frame transmission time can be obtained from the frame length in bits and the bit rate in bits per second, as it can be seen here. And that's all folks on vulnerable time for slotted ALOHA MAC Protocol.